Hi, I'm Brad Schiller with Martin, and I'm here at LDI 2023. I want to share with you the new Martin Era 700 Performance IP. This fixture here is a full-featured hard edge unit that has framing shutters, gobos, prisms, color mixing, all the great features you would expect from a full-featured light, and it's IP66 rated for permanent outdoor installation. The fixture has 26,000 lumens of output, and so it's extremely bright, as well as being very smooth and powerful. In addition, we have a really cool little feature that comes with every light. It's this Sentry box that goes on the back of the unit, and it covers all the different connectors, so it makes it completely tamper-proof for permanent installation use. And again, this is the new Martin Era 700 Performance IP. It's IP66 rated for outdoor permanent installations, full-featured moving head fixture, and you can learn more at www.martin.com.